Let me tell you something most people are afraid to admit. Being broke isn't just about money. It's about that heavy feeling on your chest the moment you wake up. It's about putting on a brave face, pretending you're okay when you feel like you're drowning inside. It's the gap between having massive dreams and having empty pockets. And that pain, that constant frustration, that quiet anger simmering inside, that is your fuel. You see, some people let being broke break them completely. But others let it build them into something unstoppable. Right now, in this very moment, you have a choice. You can complain. You can point fingers at your past, your parents, your circumstances, or your bad luck. Or you can draw a line in the sand and decide that this is the final chapter of weakness. Because here's the hard truth. Nobody is coming to save you. There's no magic pill, no shortcut, and no such thing as perfect timing. The day your life truly changes is the day you look in the mirror and say, I've had enough. Enough of the struggle. Enough of being average. Enough of watching other people live the life you desperately want. Let me be real with you. Success doesn't feel good in the beginning. It feels lonely. It feels unfair. It feels like you're working twice as hard as everyone else for half the recognition. But you have to hear this. Every single sacrifice you make today is buying you freedom tomorrow. When you're broke, every excuse sounds perfectly reasonable. But successful people, they eliminate excuses without mercy. They wake up exhausted and still put in the work. They feel fear grip them, and they move forward anyway. They fail, they fall, they lose, and they absolutely refuse to stay down. You're not always going to feel motivated. You won't always believe in yourself. But your discipline, that's what will carry you when your motivation fades. One day, your bank account changes. Your confidence changes. Your circle of friends changes. And suddenly, people start to notice. They see the results, but they never saw the grind. They see the success, but they never saw the suffering. They'll call it luck, but you and I know it was earned, drop by drop, with sweat and sacrifice. Remember this feeling right now. Remember how hungry you are. Remember how badly you want more for yourself. Use that pain. Use that fire. Use that anger. Because being broke is a temporary situation, but quitting makes it a permanent identity. So stand up, lock in, and work like your entire future depends on it, because it absolutely does. Going from broke to successful isn't a fantasy. It's a decision you make, over and over again, every single day. Thanks for watching.